It's spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Spirit boosting time. Hey Spirit Boosters, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for your comments. Thanks for your time. Well, I am sharing with you today another one of my husband's prepper hauls. You might well say the end of the year haul. He wanted these paper plates and he wanted those paper bowls from Sam's Club. Now I told y'all I didn't want to pay all that, but he loved these paper bowls. They went up too. Very expensive, 12 something. Might be $1 more than that, I don't know, but you get 150 of them. And these are the 20 ounce. 20 ounce is the nice size cereal size, you guys. If you get any bigger, that's good, but if you get the smaller ones, that's a little snack. But the 20 ounce bowls are where you can eat cereal and stuff like that. I wish somebody had shared the information with me. Yeah, so he got the bowls and he got the 204 10-inch plates, the big plates. These are, I have to say, some good quality paper plate products and stuff, you guys, from Sam's Club. Remember, Mark, the price went up on them, but they won't collapse on you and fall to pieces. These are good plates. They good as a name brand, but they are costly. But this is part of his prepper haul, husband's prepper haul. And it's more stuff. I'm just sharing this little bit I just got up here. Okay. We got some Lysol back there because the COVID ain't going nowhere. People still getting sick. And germs still out there, and they do reports often on the people who catching the virus and the deaths. I read in an article a little while ago that they were saying that more people have been dying from COVID. They're not reporting it as they used to, like they used to. So y'all better be careful out there. COVID has not left the scene. Okay, so we keep getting Lysol and those white things. And I always put bleach in my water, wiping stuff down. And yeah. Miss Janita's still busy over here. I'm still over here decluttering and organizing and cleaning. Cleaning is never gonna cease. So hey, I'm doing what I can do at a snail's pace, but let me tell you, it's getting done. I'm getting somewhere. I'm making a noticeable. I'm making a noticeable. I'm making a noticeable. What am I trying to say? Well, it's noticeable that you can see that I've done a few things around here. Sure is. My plants are being happy because I'm putting them into certain spots, so they're happy. It's been cold too at night. I have to use the heater. You know that bill gonna go up a little bit more, but being warm is more cozy than being cold. Then I often think about the people that are homeless and they out there, they don't have no shelter. I know they have tents and whatever shelter that they have put together from materials they find in the street or whatever, but that cold air creep through there, the cracks and crevices and gaps and holes. It'd be really miserable out there in that cold. But yeah, y'all pray for the homeless people, because hey, they deserve prayer. They people too. They just don't have a pay for shelter like some of us do. But yeah, so let me get back to this haul. My husband, he also got the mustard. Like I say, this is his end of the year prepper haul. Getting things for the end of the year so he can stop buying stuff. Mustard. I love mustard. He like mustard because he like my potato salad. Used to didn't like it, but he see how I fix the potato salad, so he like it. So we got mustard and some A1 steak sauce, the 15-ounce bottles, and got some mayonnaise, some mayo, Kraft mayo. So we got 2 of those, as you can see, which is good because I love mayonnaise on everything that I put it on. Y'all like mayonnaise? I used to didn't like mayonnaise when I was younger. That used because it was sour. I like the candy. I guess everybody would think about that. Not everybody, but most people. Kids, when you're younger, whatever, even as a young adult in your 20s, you don't like, you want something sweet, tasty, and not bitter, like a lot of food. Ambrosia. Any of y'all eat that stuff called ambrosia? I was thinking about trying that. That's, what is it, college cheese and pineapple and a sour cream or something. Do any of you guys make that? I always turn my nose up at that, but I haven't tried it yet. I was thinking about it because with my adult palate now, I probably would like it. So I just have to see. If y'all make that, let me know if y'all make anything similar to that. And also, my husband, he got them the 9 1/4 bags of these Fritos. Remember I was telling y'all that I had got the little ones when he was making that little chili walking tacos. Some folks call them, but we just call it chili Fritos. Chili in the bag. You put on top of the Fritos. Y'all ever never had that? Well, out here in California, that was popular. The kids go to the ice cream truck. They got them chili Fritos. You order the Frito. They put the chili in the bag. Delicious. But these are the bags I was telling you about that are big bags. I think Frito, this is the largest bag I ever seen with for Fritos. 9 1/4. Y'all seen them bigger? Say so in the comment section. But he got some of those. But he gonna eat those up way before the end of the year. But these are some of the things that I put up here. It's more stuff. We got a few more things. Well, that he put on the list. We got a big old thing of paper towels that's not up here. Paper towels, ooh, my goodness. But every time we get a couple of extra dollars, we always keep stocking up on the toilet paper. Any of you guys doing that? Always keep stocking up on your toilet paper so that, you know, every other trip you go to the store, you get you another pack of toilet paper. Because I'm telling you, they saying children, well, this ain't got nothing to do with toilet paper, moving, changing the subject. But I've been reading articles about kids getting sick with this flu thing or respiratory problems. They already put in the news a child has passed away from respiratory problems. So they had an article, I forgot what they call it, but they say that kids are really getting sick. If y'all know about that, say so in the comments. But hope everybody stay, you know, wipe things down, make you some bleach water or some pine salt or something, and try and keep everything sterilized. Because we in the cold and flu season, people gonna get sicker. And if people ain't hearing about that this COVID virus and stuff is still out there, and they walking around without masks and living their best life without a care, thinking that everything is fine, and this stuff is still out there, still killing people, taking folks' loved ones, friends and family members. So y'all, it's just up to you guys. Use your own discretion. You want to stay safe. You want to remember COVID still exists. Don't let folks get all up in your space, all up in your face, and spit particles always popping out of folks' mouths. So, and the monkey pop, remember that? Okay, y'all, we all busy. I'm going to let y'all go, but I will be back, I guess, with some more of the haul. This is just another piece of it. All right, later. Take care. Stay prepared. Happy holidays. And be careful out there. It's spirit boosting time. Spirit